How to stretch your Crocs for a perfect fit.
Hello, Crocs enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself with a pair of Crocs that are just a bit too snug for comfort? Well, we've got some good news for you. Yes, it's indeed possible to stretch your Crocs to make them a bit larger. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to do just that.
Why can Crocs be stretched?
Before we delve into the how, let's talk about the why. Crocs are made from a proprietary material called Croslite. This is not rubber or plastic, but rather a kind of foam resin that is both durable and malleable. Croslite's flexibility makes it possible to expand and mold to your feet for a more comfortable fit.
What do you need?
To stretch out your Crocs, you'll need the pair of Crocs that need stretching, a blow dryer, a pair of thick socks, or two. If you're stretching both shoes at once, make sure that your blow dryer has a cool setting, as you don't want to risk damaging your Crocs with excessive heat.
How to stretch your Crocs.
Follow these steps to stretch your Crocs. 1. Put on the thick socks and then your Crocs. 2. Warm up the areas that need stretching with a blow dryer for about 20 to 30 seconds. Remember to use the cool setting to avoid damage. 3. Keep the Crocs on while they cool down. As the Croslite material cools, it will mold to your foot shape. 4. If necessary, repeat the process until you achieve the desired fit.
Things to note.
While stretching your Crocs can help achieve a better fit, it's important to remember that this method may not work for everyone or make a significant size difference. It's best for small adjustments, not for trying to upsize by more than a half size. Also, consistently stretching the Crocs might reduce their lifespan, as it can cause the material to weaken over time. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to stretch out your Crocs for a more comfortable fit. Remember, comfort is key, so always ensure your Crocs feel right on your feet. If the fit is too off, it might be better to get a new pair that fits you correctly. We hope this video has been helpful and happy wearing.